In this video, we will go through the fundamentals of data, its types, and why relational databases are essential. By the end, you will have a good understanding of how they work and why they matter in the real world. Data refers to raw facts and figures that can be stored and processed. It can be anything like a person's name, their father's name, age, phone number, or even images and videos. Data is the backbone of the digital world. It helps businesses make informed decisions, allows hospitals to track patient records, and enables social media to personalize your experience. Without data, there would be no online shopping, banking, or artificial intelligence. In short, data powers everything around us. Data is categorized into two main types. Structured data is well organized and stored in a fixed format, like tables in a database, whereas unstructured data lacks predefined format and is harder to organize. Both types play a crucial role in modern applications, from business analytics to AI-driven systems. Since data is everywhere, we need an efficient way to store, manage, and access it. That is where databases come in. A database is an organized collection of data that allows easy storage and retrieval. Instead of managing information in scattered files, databases keep data structured and accessible. For example, in an office, a database stores employee details such as names, job roles, salaries, and attendance records, making it easy for managers to retrieve information. From banking systems to social media platforms, databases are the backbone of modern data management. Not all databases function the same way. One of the most widely used types is the Relational Database Management System. An RDBMS stores data in tables with rows and columns, where each piece of data is linked to another. This structure ensures efficient data retrieval, updates, and management. For example, one table stores employee details, another table stores salary records. They are linked using a unique identifier like an employee ID. This ensures accuracy, consistency, and efficiency in data management. To maintain data integrity and avoid duplication, databases use keys. Here are some of the important types. A candidate key is a column or set of columns that can uniquely identify a record. For example, in an employee table, both employee ID and email can be candidate keys. A primary key is the selected candidate key that uniquely identifies each record in a table. For example, employee ID is chosen as the primary key because each employee has a unique ID. A composite key is a key made up of two or more columns where a single column is not enough to uniquely identify a record. For example, in an order table, order ID and the product ID together act as a composite key. A foreign key is a key that links one table to another by referencing the primary key of another table. In the next video, we will dive into SQL, the language that is used to interact with databases. We'll start from the basics and gradually explore advanced concepts, helping you build a strong foundation in database management.